Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back out here at the park. It's starting to get dark. Bars. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in here. I'm back out here with my X6058. We had that mishap in last Throwback Thursday's episode with this, and so I got it all soldered back up. So let's get this guy in the air so we can have some fun with it. Go through the noisy leaves over here. Check it out. Hardly any light out here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Bring it in close so you guys can see the awesome funnels. Check it out. And it's kind of chilly out here, so it's affecting the battery. And so this guy's flashing already on me, guys. Guess I just can't win out here with this thing. Had the battery on deck for a while, but I'm just going to fly it around though still. Pick it up high so you guys can see it better. Can only do manual flips, I guess. And the cat just went running by. Trying to do another manual flip. Oh! And the battery died completely on me. And so I guess it wasn't a false LVC this time. This thing fell out of the sky on me on a manual flip. But we had a little bit of fun with it. The X6058 Venom. But thanks for watching.